Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in Glossybox August 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. And I'm still uploading also my advent calendar lineup spoilers. So yes, I will do it in time. But yes, let's unbox this Glossybox. If you're new to Glossybox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25 I think. And every month you will receive 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. However, if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, Jayca, and you will receive this box for only £10. All the link, all the info will be in the description box below as always. So yes, let's open it. So this month box, lovelies, is not their usual pink box, but it's like a theme box. And here is it, the Art of Beauty. It's gorgeous. I'll definitely keep this box, and then when you open it, you have the card, which is it says Glossybox, the Art of Beauty, with the QR code in here. And let's do the QR code first. So when you open the QR code, it looks like this. I really hope I don't blind you, lovelies. Let's see the spoiler for next month. So excited to see the spoiler for next month, lovelies. Golden hour. It says September marks the beginning relax transition period as we soak up the last ray of the sun, give us intensive care after the long summer, and prepare for the changing seasons. This month we've named our edition after the magical time, the day golden hour, just before the sun goes down. We all love to capture mesmerizing images, whether you are a selfie lover or love capturing beautiful sunset. One brand we can't wait for you to discover is Rituals. You will receive one of 4 products inside your September box. Rituals of Mere Body Cream, Shower Gel, Shampoo, or Body Mousse, which is, for me, it's a great because I love Rituals. So yes, can't wait for this. But also, lovelies, in this magazine, they release the image for their advent calendar, which is this one. I really hope I don't blind you, lovelies, but it's a surprise. It's nearly that time again, the launch of our highly anticipated glossy advent calendar. We can't wait for you to discover the amazing products inside our calendar glosses. You won't want to miss this. It's going to be our best one yet. Celebrate with a moment of joy, hold on to it, and feel it with every fiber of your body. So excited for this too, and I can't wait to see what's inside. And here it says, hey Glossy, this is our 11th year of celebrating Glossybox, and we want you to explore the artist with it. This month we bring you a box filled with a variety of beauty products to help you express your artistic ways. Completing a full face of makeup isn't easy, and we ladies know how to paint the perfect face. Everything in our August The Art of Beauty edit will give you the tools you need to do so. Whether you love a full glam look or a natural toned down look, we've got you. Let's see now each product. So let's open it. It looks like this. Inside, I really love this pastel like green or blue. So the first one here, which is the spoiler for this month, this is from Pixie by Petra. I love that they bubble wrap it, and then you got this product here. I love this product. I had that before, and this is the Pixie Beauty Blush Duo Peach Honey. So let's watch it, lovelies. You can even see it. I don't know if you can see it, but this one is a full size, definitely. And this one, it's retail for 18 pounds. I am not sure because here it says deluxe mini 4.5 grams. Oh, this is just a travel size. It's the deluxe mini size, which is rated for 8 pounds. The full size, which is 10 grams, it's rated for 18 pounds, but it does look like full size. And it says Pixie Blush Duo consists of 2 super silky powder, which give your cheeks a flawless, fresh finish, infused with vitamin E and mica, so your skin is treated as you wear it. And another tool that you can use with that one is this from Luxy. Here we go, the products. This is a full size and it's rated for 18 pounds and it feels really soft. And this brush is perfect also under your eye area, just to fix with your powder under your eye area, but also with the blush on, with contouring. It's a multi-use brush. And this one, it says Luxy 640 Pro Precision Tapered brush is a fluffy tapered brush ideal for soft application of pigmented cream or powder blush or highlight products. I'm not sure about cream product, but definitely with the powder, this is really perfect. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Land of Lashes Foam Mix Lashes, reusable and cruelty free. This is a full size, definitely. It's rated for 7 pounds. I really do like looks of these lashes. And it says all nude lashes style are super lightweight, offering both length and curl, with a style for every eye shape and a flexible invisible band. This collection is a must-have for any eyelashes lover. And then the next one we have here, this is from Huygens Organic Face Scrub. And I think this is just a deluxe mini one, which has 12 ml and it's rated for 7 pounds 50. The full size, which is 50 ml, it's rated for 18 pounds and 70. And let's see inside. Oh, it's a mess. Inside, it smells like lemony, fruity scent. I don't know if you can see it, lovelies, but it does look like this. It looks like toothpaste, the texture of the product, and also it does have those mold beads inside. So yeah, it smells really nice. And it says creamy face scrub with rice powder. Particles gently purify the skin, long-lasting healthy glow. The natural sesame oil nourishes the skin without a greasy feel, while the antioxidant green tea infusion illuminates the skin complexion. And the last product we have here, it's a Lucky Dip one. So you either receive a Restore and Nourish hair mask or protective hair mask from the brand Now Bay. So I received a protective hair mask. So here we go. This one is a full size and it's rated for 9 pounds 50. And it says Now Bay is committed to natural and organic ingredients that truly take care of your hair. All of their products include deep conditioning ingredients to protect and restore your hair, as well as reversing damage caused by coloring, styling, and the environment. Both masks work the same as a conditioner, but with added benefits, designed to be more intense and more nourishing. So yes, this is the last product, lovelies. As you can see, let's do a recap. So you will receive the blush duo from Pixie, the shade Peach Honey. Yes, and then you receive also a full-size brush from Luxy, which is the Pro Precision Tapered Brush, and then a full-size from Land of Lashes Foam Mix Lash Nude Lash. And then you receive also a scrub, which is from Huygens Organic Face Scrub. And then this one, the Now Bay Protective Hair Mask. Overall, lovelies, it's a mix of product. You have a skincare, a hair products, and also a makeup products. So for me this month, it's a thumbs up. I will definitely use every single product. I'm starting to use fake lashes at the moment because I can use it now because I'm wearing contact lenses. So yes, I'm glad that I received one in here. So yes, overall for me it's a thumbs up. That's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this box? I know you receive it, lovelies. What products are you excited to use? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.